Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to walk through lesson 67, parts 6 to 9. So part 6, we're looking at completing the table. For each row, we either have to write a division problem and the answer, or a fraction and the whole number it equals. So I'm going to do the first two examples with you. So we'll see on either side, we need to make sure we have our division problem and the answer, or the fraction and the whole number it equals. So you'll have to work through the table and see what information you're given and then fill in the blank side or the blank answer in order to complete the table. So let's do the first two together. On one side we have 18 over 2. So we can go 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. Now on this side we need to write a division problem. So we need to put this fraction and the whole number into a division problem. So let's draw a division sign. Now I know our top number always goes underneath our division line. So we'll put 18 here. And the bottom number, our 2, will go at the side since it's dividing the main number. Now our answer, our whole number, will go at the very top in the appropriate place value column. So we have 18 divided by 2 equals 9, which is exactly the same as what we have on our other side. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So I'll do one more example with you. Now in this instance, we have a division problem and we need to create a fraction plus a whole number. So first we need to solve our division. We have 63 divided by 7. Now I'll first look at whether 7 can go into 6, which we know it can't. And then I'll look at if 7 can go into 63. And I know it can go into 63 9 times. So I'll make sure I put that above the right place value column. Now on the other side, we need to create our fraction. So we know our number underneath the division line is always our top number in our fraction. So I'll put 63 here, and the number at the side, what's dividing the main number, is our bottom number, which will be 7. So whatever's underneath will go on top, and whatever's at the side will go as our bottom number. And our whole number will be our answer. So 9 will go over here. So these are our first two examples of part 6. So you can pause this video now and finish the other two examples of part 6 and come back for part 7. All right, now for part 7, we're making some ratios. So we need to write the names and the fraction for each sentence. So let's do the first one together. I'll read off the sentence. We have for every 8 fish, there were 2 dolphins. So we have fish as our top term and dolphins as our bottom. And now I'll look to see how many fish were in our sentence. There were 8 fish, so that's our top number. And then how many dolphins were there? And there were 2. So we need to make sure we include the names of our ratio and then our fraction number. So we have 8 over 2. So you can pause this video and finish up B and C. All right, now so for part A, we have multiplication and division problems, which you can practice on your own. And we'll do an example of part 9 together. So part 9, we're doing some more division, but since it's a larger number we're dividing into, we'll do one example together. So I'll do A, which is 368 divided by 4. So again, we're looking at the number we're dividing by, and we're going into each number to see how many times can 4 go into it. So we'll go, how many times can 4 go into 3? We know it cannot go into any. So I'll put a 0 Just to make sure, we're going to write the rest of our answer in the right place value. Next, I'll look at whether 4 can go into 36. I know 4 can go into 36 9 times. So I'll put our 9 here. And next, we'll look at how many times can 4 go into 8. I know it can go into 8 2 times. So put our 2 on here. Now our final answer doesn't need to include the 0 at the front since it won't affect our answer. So we have 92 as our final answer. So you can pause this video, finish B and C of part 9, and then we are all finished for today. Hope you have a wonderful long weekend, and let myself or Mr. S know if you need any help. Thanks. Bye.